Well, it's breakfast time at the Lendy house, and with this pre-made pie dough, we're going to be making a quiche. Let's get started. Now in a large bowl, I have about 6 eggs, and to that, I'm going to add about a cup of milk, add a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper, and we're just going to whisk that all to combine. Once it's all mixed, you're ready to assemble. I have this on a baking tray, that way when we put the custard in, it's easier to carry. Just adding some broccoli into this. And we're also going to add some bacon. Now I know what you're thinking, that is way too much broccoli. And now it's time to add in our custard. I'm just going to top this with some cheddar cheese. Just going to use a fork to stir this around a little bit. And this is going to go in a 375-degree oven. And we'll check on it in about 40 minutes. Hey, real quick, this is after about a half-hour cooking, and it looks like the crust is done. However, if you give it a shake, the middle is still not done yet. So I'm going to do a pro gamer move and place some tin foil on the outside of the crust. That way it prevents it from overcooking too much. And back in the oven it goes. I took it out after another 15 or 20 minutes, and it looks perfect. I'm just going to remove the tin foil. And as you can see, the crust is perfect. Thanks for watching. And until next week, I'm Jared Lendy with Small Bites. See ya!